Today we'll be playing hide and seek with a Nerf gun. So I'm gonna count first. He's the guy, bro, my friend behind. He's gonna go hide. Yo, what's up? And yeah, let's get started. Nothing else to say. Oh, and Happy New Year, guys. And yeah, you can go hide so long in the count. Okay. Okay, so the plan is I'm gonna make her come hiding here, but I'm gonna hide somewhere else. No, Sheldon, don't look at me. Okay. It stinks. Oh my God! What? It stinks. It stinks here. It stinks bad. You stupid, no! You stupid. You don't have to fall over though. Why? I can't see the camera. Oh my word! Shoot! Just shoot! Shoot! Oh! Okay, let's go. Oh! Take your bullet. Take the bullet up. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, give my camera. I knew it from the get-go he's not a good hider. He's gonna get caught first, obviously. So, yeah. Go count. No, go count. Don't shoot him. So he yelled at me. Yo. Shoot them. Not me. Okay, shot there. You shot me.
I shot the audience, not you. One more.
I said no. He decided to shoot you guys. So he doesn't get to shoot me. Basically, no, not basically. So actually I must go hide now. No, wait, no, I must count, sorry.
Yeah.
And
That's the last count. Okay, count. Oh, your mother. Mother's home. Here's the camera. We have to trim it. We have to trim it. Can you add something?
So that's the end of our vlog, guys. See you next time. Stop it. 3, 2, 1.